if the institution fails to respond or act, what legal standing does the consumer have?
You got plenty standing under uniform commercial codes. So if they don't, if they fail to act, first of all, you got to know that's a breach of contract because in your contract it says this is how to settle the payments obligations, and it's also a breach of the CFO fiduciary duty, and that's why you want to address the CFO. So your legal standing on the UCC, you got a couple of good ones. You got 4-202 that says banks must act with ordinary care. You got 3-602 that says that if they refuse your tender of payment, then the debt is actually discharged. So you got standing, and if you really know the uniform commercial codes.
What if someone wants to find out if their loan's been securitized, like a car note or a car loan?
First thing we do uh, is send them what we call a QWR, and that's a qualified written request. And what you are requesting is information to audit your contract. You want to know who's the true owner and who has interest in the contract. So, what I ask them for is a chain of title, a pool and servicing agreement, um, any assignments and endorsements that's been made to the contract. Once you have that, you have all the evidence. If they don't comply, to enforce your rights, your contractual rights with the you can go to the CFPB, the Federal Trade Commission, and what I like to go to is the comptroller of the currency. Because the comptroller of the currency is over all national banks, and he's the person right under the Secretary of the Treasury. So you want to audit the account. If you want to see if it's been securitized, you want to request them to give you all the information that's surrounding the ownership of that contract. 100% of the times it's been securitized. So that's, you know,
Okay.
you can count on that one for